everybody, what's up? It's your man, my Picture One here, and welcome to a brand new video. Today, I'm by myself, and I'm doing an international / weird drinking experimentation. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drinks that at least 4 out of the 8 are Mexican, I believe, and the other 3 are just weird drink mixes. But we'll go ahead and kick this right off, get right into it with Fruit King's Mini Soda. It is an artificially flavored fruit punch, apparently. It is caffeine free, which means it must be good. So I'm just gonna open this.
I'm too weak. Don't kill me, please.
This is so hard to open. Alright. It kind of smells like, you know those Lunchables that you buy and they have the little powder in it and you pour it in the cup? That's what it tastes. That's what it smells like. Here we go. Ugh. Ugh. It tastes flat. It has a really weird, like, aftertaste. Kind of like when you eat dirt and it tastes irony afterwards. That's what the aftertaste is like. Alright, next. Alright, next I got Nestle Milo Active Go chocolate flavored nutritional energy drink. It's a new recipe, which means it must be good. I don't have high hopes for this because
I'm in love with the coco.
most chocolate drinks are disgusting, and if it's an energy drink, then I have a feeling it's gonna taste like Monster, but chocolate. And I think it's carbonated too. Oh heck no. Oh, that smells disgusting. It kind of smells like Cocoa Puffs, actually. Just really old Cocoa Puffs. Like, you know when you go to your grandma's house and she has the same cereal that you've been eating since you were there as a little kid, but since you never go to your grandma's house, that you never eat it, so it just sits there for years. She's like, oh, I have some breakfast for you. That's what this smells like. Bottoms up, my homies. Oh, I'm supposed to shake it, and I'm supposed to consume immediately after opening. Oh. Oh. It tastes like Cocoa.
I'm in love with the coco.
Cocoa Puff milk. Like after done eating the Cocoa Puffs and it just sits in the milk, and you drink the milk afterwards, that's exactly what it tastes like, and it is disgusting. I'm not drinking any more of this. And it is very pungent, like very strong taste. Next. Alright. Next. Thank you, my invisible assistant who slides me the drinks, aka my right hand. Today, or not today, but next we are drinking Boing with fruit. Boing. So it should jump like a Mexican jumping bean. It is mango flavored. The rest of this is all in Mexican, so I can't read it. It says enjoy chilled, shake gently before opening. Rockabye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, I'll crack your top. It's 100% fruit juice made in Mexico. Made out of pulp or juice. Bon voyage, bon appetit, Maya's feet. Here we go. I don't think I want to do this. It smells like vomit. Okay. I'm gonna throw up. It tastes just like it smells. It tastes like gasoline mixed with sulfur with a hint of baby poop and just a dash of mango. So if you enjoy those flavors, this is the drink for you. I'm sorry, Mexico, but you struck out again. Don't go boing. Go whatever the opposite of boing is. Doing.
Bruh.
This was bad. This is a bad idea.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Next, we have Barrilitos. Burritos. Hacho en Mexico, manzana, which I believe is Mexican for apple. Refresco carbonado con sabor artificial de manza. Nana. Una nana. Less than 1% fruit juice. This is apple flavored soda. It doesn't taste like anything. I don't know if it's everything else makes my mouth, I just can't taste it, but it really doesn't taste like anything. It's not that bad though. I mean, if you like the taste of nothing, that's probably why you're watching this video. Bam! Next we got Class Aguas Frescas Limonada limeade flavored drink mixed with dried fruit. Gotta make some limeade nonada. So stay tuned for the I really just like doing that. I've made this limonada. I have my special guest, Maya. How you doing? Thank you. You want some? Huh? You want some? Okay, she does not like it, so that's not a good sign. I kind of guesstimated how much a tablespoon that I put in here, but hopefully it's good. Kind of looks like African water, but they can survive on it. Why can't I? We have the same blood. I really don't want to do this. Oh, it's not actually bad. That's actually really good. I'm not gonna lie. You know, for some reason, there's something about it being foreign that makes my body not like it. Like, I feel like there's something in it that I'm not gonna like. My body's like, no, it's foreign. Don't drink it or eat it. Let me know if you guys have that kind of thing too. For some reason, anytime anything's foreign, my body just has this natural tendency just not to like it automatically. What's next, you might ask? Jolly Rancher, green apple, singles to go. Because you know what? Whenever I eat a Jolly Rancher, the first thing I think is, what would this taste like if I could drink it? That's the first thing that comes to my mind. I don't know about you guys, but I've always wanted to drink Jolly Ranchers. So now my dream can come true. There's 4 steps. Sip, pour, shake, and mix. And then step number 5. Consume. So that's real nice. You know what it says on the bottom? Produced with genetic engineering. I'm gonna become Hulk after I drink this. Or Spider-Man. It does smell just like green apple Jolly Ranchers, which is promising. So we're just gonna dump that. Oh, that's not. You know, there's just something about your water becoming this green that I don't think is good to be putting inside of your body. I don't want to try this. Oh my. Oh gosh. You know, since there's no sugar in here, I'm not quite sure. Oh, it's flavored with aspartame. That is incredibly sweet and like it tastes just like you'd expect a Jolly Rancher to taste if you were to drink it. Fireworks, baby. We got crushed orange soda. Cause you know, was this the pow? The people got some orange soda in the cup. Oh, that was English. Ladies and gentlemen, we got Orange Crush because nothing's better than flat orange soda. This is not carbonated, so I don't see how you could like this in any way, shape, or form. Because if it's just gonna taste like orange soda, then what's the point? Like, what's the difference between buying this and buying regular Orange Crush besides the fact that it only has 5 calories and there's no sugar? Orange superheroes. Aha! I'll be Orange Man. My special ability, shoot orange juice at the eyes of my enemies. And my catchphrase is, guess you couldn't peel this orange. There we go. Alright, ladies and gents. Here we go. Oh, there's still a huge clump in there. Alright, here we go. Time to taste orange flat soda. Oh. No mas. That does not taste good. It tastes just like I said it would, flat orange soda, but it has this disgusting aftertaste that kind of tastes like eating a dog paw. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been the foreign/weird drink mix experimentation. It's been your main man, Pixelman1 here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Pixelman1 with 2 A's. That's Pixelmaan, Juan. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at bmot_2013 and follow me on the Snappers at bmot9. That is what it is, right?
bmot9.
bmot9. And anchor.fm/Pixelman1. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll catch you guys on the next video. This has been your man, Pixelman1 here. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day, and peace! Ew, Maya, get your nasty head out of here. Come here. You want to be in the next segment, Maya? Come here. There. Alright, let me know when you're ready.
You build me up, you break me down, and only you know how I feel.